Okay, this is Derek and Rachel playing on the slide and in the pool together. Derek has his hand full of cars, as usual. Yeah?
You mind if I nurse her to sleep real quick?
Sure. They have fun together. Rachel will be 3 in August. It is the first week of June right now. Derek is almost 2.5. And he keeps dropping his cars, so he's got to get them again. And he goes up the slide and back down. Fun for days. Whoa! He doesn't care as long as he's got the cars.